Hi. Um, so here are the 7 elements of design. The first one is going to be space. Space is the sandbox in which visuals play together. Positive space is filled and negative space is empty. In graphic design, space is a requirement. The types of space are 3D, positive and negative, and white space. And here I provided an example right here of positive and negative space. Okay, next we have line. Line is a point moving in space or points connecting together. It may be abstract, three-dimensional, etc. It can also be a zigzag, curved, and dotted, and still define the elements of design. So here is a curved line, still a line though, and here are the different strokes, so I guess textures of lines right here, and then we got dotted lines, and we got your basic regular line. Alright, so next we have color. Color is a very powerful communication tool in the designer's toolbox. It evokes emotion, orders, and organizes and draws attention. 4 color wheel elements include primary, tertiary, complementary, and triadic. And here is a color wheel, and here is a color wheel divided into its own sections right here, its own color wheel elements. So here's primary, secondary, complementary, and a bunch of other ones. So next we have shape. Shapes are areas contained with implied lines and contours of flat objects. Length and width are what make up its 2 dimensions, and they can be geometric, freeform, or organic. So here are your basic geometric shapes right here, and here are the organic shapes. So as you can see, an apple, a leaf, a heart, and I'm not too sure what these 3 are, but apparently they're organic. Next we have texture. Texture is the surface quality of artwork. It is categorized by its method, function, and character. So here is like a stone texture, I guess like a rock of some sort. Here I guess I would compare this to really dry dirt. Like during the summertime when it gets like really hot and then like the dirt's like cracked or something. And then this is texture of wood. Next we have value. Value is the lightness and darkness of an object, area, or color. Different value variations are used to create a focal point for a design. So 0 through 10, with 10 being the brightest. Like, so this is like the whole contrast of I guess like a artwork being light or dark. And next, lastly, we have size and scale. Size is the comparison of an object to another object or its environment. It can appear larger or smaller depending on size and placement of the object. So here are the sizes of these circles right here. One really, really tiny, and I guess it just depends on like perspective also. And alright, well, thank you all for watching my PowerPoint. And that's it.